A 10 rupees stocks can become a 200, but that a same stocks can also become a 0. So in 2026, are penny stocks a golden opportunity or dangerous trap? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about penny stocks in 2026, one of your most excited but risky areas of the stock market. Some investors make a huge profit from penny stocks, but many other loses their entire money. So today we understand the truth, not to hype. What is penny stocks? Penny stocks are share of small companies trade at very low prices. They usually have small market, low trading volume, limited company history, and high prices voluntary. These stocks can move up and down 10 to 20% in a single days. Why people getting attract are penny stocks? People love penny stocks because the price looks cheap, dream to turning small money in big profit, social media hypes and multi-bagger stories, fear are missing out. But remember, low price does not mean a undervalue. Major risks of penny stocks. This is the most important part. Parts can crash very fast, hard to sell when buyers disappears. Many companies have a weak fundamentals, many manipulation in common, news and rumors move pricing sharply. Many penny stocks fall once and never recover. When can penny stocks actually work? Penny stocks many works if the company business is improving, debts in reducing, sales and profit are growing, and the sectors and strong future demand and management in very good. You have investing a future potential but not current strategy. Smart strategy in 2026. If you want a penny stocks, follow strategies. Invest only smart and potential profitable in 5 to 10%. Never use emergency or borrow money. Do not own research, avoid tips, romans and book up potentially recovers. Always on risk control, do not hold blindly. Right investor mindset. Penny stocks are not for everyone. If you panic easily, avoid them. If you want stable growth, choose large companies. If you handle a risk and losses, they are only considered them. Penny stocks in 2026 can give returns, but only an investor who understands the risk and stay disciplined. So this is my video. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thanks. Have a nice day.